How to ensure that my bank statements can be verified by the Department of Home Affairs. Ensure that your statements can be verified by the Department of Home Affairs for your visa submission or visa extension, South Africa. Follow these steps. Maintain accurate and up-to-date statements. Make sure your statements are current and cover the required period specified by the visa guidelines. Obtain official statements from your that clearly show your name, account details, and transaction history. Use certified statements. Request certified statements. These are statements that have been stamped or signed by a bank representative, indicating their authenticity. Ensure sufficient funds are reflected. Ensure that your financial statements reflect the required minimum amount or financial capacity for the visa category you are applying for. If necessary, deposit sufficient funds in your account to meet the requirement before obtaining the financial statements. Avoid tampering with statements. Do not alter or modify your financial statements in any way, as this can lead to serious consequences and jeopardize your visa. Present the statements exactly as provided by your bank. Submit original or certified copies. Submit original financial statements, as required by the visa guidelines. Make sure it is clear and legible. Provide supporting documentation. In addition to financial statements, provide any additional supporting documents requested by the Department of Home Affairs. This may include a letter from your bank confirming the authenticity of the IA statements or any other financial documentation required for your visa category. Maintain transparency. Be honest and transparent in your financial disclosures. Ensure that the information on your financial statements aligns with other financial documents and information you provide during the application process. What happens if I do not have sufficient funds for a visa? If you do not have sufficient funds to meet the financial requirements for a visa, your visa will likely be rejected. The financial requirements are put in place to ensure that applicants have the means to support themselves during their stay in the country and to minimize the risk of individuals becoming a burden on the host country's resources. Failing to meet the financial requirements can raise concerns about your ability to cover your expenses, including accommodation, transportation, meals, and other essential needs. As a result, your visa may be deemed incomplete or insufficient, leading to its rejection. It is important to carefully review the financial requirements for the specific visa you are applying for and ensure that you have sufficient funds to meet the criteria. If you are unable to meet the requirements at the time of application, it may be necessary to postpone your travel plans until you have the necessary financial means or explore alternative options that align with your current situation.